Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Mico. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Mico application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on your followings. Tap on the profile that you want to block. Tap on the 3 vertical dot on the top right corner. Tap on block on the first option. Tap on confirm to block. And that is how you can easily block someone on Mico. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.